It's a 2015 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Russell & Smith Ford. Come see us today at 3440 South Loop West Freeway in Houston, Texas.